Hello, lovely people. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Papa Ziggy's channel. If this is your first time, you're warmly welcome. My name is Papa Ziggy. The purpose of this program is to create awareness, to conscientize, to talk about social issues going on in Europe, to give tips. So please, you are welcome once again. Your comments are welcome. Your criticism, your observation, they're all welcome. Please share this message and you're welcome once again to Papa Ziggy's channel. Today I have, how do I say, a living testimony. I want to testify to something I've personally done, and it will be a blessing for you if you pay attentively to the tips I'll be giving out in the videos. And if you are able to go by it will help you save a lot of dental cost in Germany. I know it's very, very expensive, but there are some tricks, and I have done some research, and I'm also a living witness to what I'm about to talk about today. So please stay tuned and enjoy. So, as you may know, in Germany, we have the gesetzliche Krankenversicherung. That is the legal one that is very, very statutory. But this dental care covered by this legal or the gesetzliche Krankenversicherung in Germany is very, very limited. So sometimes you are forced or being obliged to pay for some of the dental costs. And that's where sometimes it's very tricky and very, very disturbing. So, and this gesetzliche Krankenversicherung covers only the basic things like basic filling, this treatment of gum disease. Sometimes if you want to go for just, they want to watch your teeth, just checkups. If you really want to do a professional dental cleaning, high quality fillings, crowns, bridges, implant, root canal, then you'll be forced to pay extra money. That is where sometimes the problem starts. But I have a trick or a tip for you today, where if you are able to follow exactly how it works, your gesetzliche Krankenversicherung will take part of your payment for you. And this is how it starts. Have you seen, because of security reasons, I'll cover my name. Have you seen this kind of book before? It is called Bonus Heft. It is called Bonus Heft. And when you have this bonus heft, you have risk of saving to your dentist. Please ask him to get you one of these. He will write your name, your date of birth, your address, and anytime you visit, they will give you a stamp like this. This is what they will stamp and tell you the date you came. And the more you go, the better chances you have to save dental costs in Germany. So it serves as a proof of participation in regular checkup appointment at the dentist. Legally insured persons who have the checkup appointment fully documented in the bonus booklet have a chance of subsidy. And this is how it works. So anyone who can prove that they have had regular checkups at the dentist in the past 5 years will receive 60% of the cost instead of a 70% fixed subsidy. Anyone who has completed entries in the dental booklet for the past 10 years will receive 75% subsidy. It's a bingo. A bonus booklet is available from the age of 12. Children and adolescents up to the age of 18 must be checked twice a year if they want to have the bonus. These are some of the conditions. So for adults, once is enough. So please, for you to get this subsidy, you have to prove, and the only evidence is when the booklet has been stamped. This only applies as long as the patient continues to go for checkup. So if you've been to or you've gone for checkups for 5 years and you cannot still prove that you've gone for checkups, your health insurance will not take care of that cost. So please try and get this booklet, and anytime you go to your dentist, let them stamp. It will help you a lot. It will help you save a lot of cost. Because I know there are a lot of people with various reasons why they are here, and some don't really care going for checkup. If you are legal here, you pay 7% into from your brutto into the Krankenkasse. So if you are paying 7% from what you earn, my sister, my brother, you really have to take advantage of all these things. Please. So this is just a tip for you. If you go to the dentist and you are giving the electronic dental bonus booklet, you can tell them also to transfer the old one from the manual one, that is the old one, into the new one for you. It's also possible. So the second part, after getting yourself the bonus heft, either manual or electronic, then you can decide if you want the Zusatz Versicherung for Zahnversicherung. That's if you want. Because at the end of the day, if you can prove for 5 years that you persistently go to the dentist, you get the subsidy of you will receive 60% of the cost of any cost that comes your way. So if, for instance, you get 60% cost from your gesetzliche Krankenversicherung, then you only need 40%. So in this case, if you have the Zusatz, it's also good for you. And if you also prove that you've been consistently for 10 years, then you receive 75% subsidy. So when you receive 75% subsidy, you only need 25 to get a complete 100% dental care. If, for instance, you want I don't know what you really want, but if you really want to do implantation or some root canal or high quality filling, then you only need this small percentage. That is why it's advisable for you to have zusätzlich Zahnversicherung also as well. But please, before you sign a Vertrag for a Zusatzversicherung, let them already know that you have a bonus heft. Because when they get to know, they also calculate in such a way, first of all, you pay less. And they also know that at the end of the day, you only need some percentage to support what you already have. And it will help you save a lot of money. So please, let's share this message to our dear ones, our family, our loved ones, our friends, and let everybody get to know that there's something called bonus heft, that when you get one for yourself, it will help you save a lot of money, especially here in Germany and Austria as well. It is there. It has been in existence so many years, but it takes by grace and chance to come across this kind of information. So I want to share it with you. Do share it to others and let many people get this information, and it will be a blessing for all of us here. Apart from everything, we came here to also save money. So if there's a possibility for us to save money, why don't we take advantage of it, Carpe diem, and it will be a blessing for everybody. Thank you very much for tuning to Papa Ziggy TV channel again. And stay blessed. And I will be updating you from time to time with new infos. Have a nice day.